Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2010 Chevrolet Camaro. This is an SLP ZL550, very unique collectible car. 2010 being the first generation back and built in Oshawa after the 2002, so the rebirth of the Camaro. It comes with the SLP car cover. The SLP information is right here on all that it included, which is a lot of things like the Supercharger, the Axleback exhaust, the Blackwing cold air induction system, modified engine cover, the SLP sport suspension, the sport hood in fiberglass, the rear painted spoiler like a ZL1, the 5-spoke redline wheels, the rear taillight panel, the rear quarter panel gills, the ZL550 Supercharger Fender deck lid badges, and then they also added as you see, the car cover, the sequential number dash plaque, and then this is the Heritage SS badging for the grille, and also the grille insert, and then the rally style painted stripes with the Heritage style hockey stripes. So beautiful car, fabulous, 1,000 kilometers, highly collectible. Put it away in a barn, keep it for years and years. So it has got the Heritage SS badging, which is in the center, the ZL550 badge over there on that side, the big body kit down the back with those diffusers on there for the exhaust. Absolutely fabulous. Love the hockey stripes, and they're painted under the clear. So they're painted on, not stick-on stripes, and they're under the clear. So here's your Brembo brakes. Look at those cross-drilled rotors. They're ginormous. You need that when you're going really fast. You need to be able to stop. It's got the OEM style tires with the red line wheels on it, reminiscent of the early Camaro red lines. So awesome. The big side skirts there. On the inside, it's full leather interior, factory moonroof right there, automatic transmission, the ZL550 floor mats. Have a look in the door frames. It's just like a brand new car, just 1,000 kilometers. Yes, the books are there with the car, and the badge right here, number 53 ZL550. So pretty awesome. Fully loaded with all the features that you could get on the 2010, and in fantastic condition. It's out of a local collection, kept in a barn, kept out of the elements, and a really, really nice car. So there's your other front rim, no curb rash, no issues there. Under the hood, you'll see those engine covers and that big Supercharger there, the Blackwing cold air intake, the SLP hood, so you'll see that it's tagged as an SLP OEM hood right there with the hood number on it. And we'll close this and show you that the air goes in there, and it is intended to go past that Supercharger and keep it cool also. So there it is right there. Good looking grille, huge lowered front fascia with that big ZL1 look. They didn't even have a ZL1 in 2010, so this is just the beast right here. So there's your wheels and brakes right there, looking fabulous. And here's your other back here. What a beast. So on the driver's door, you've got the power trunk, power windows, power mirrors, and Boston acoustic sound system. You've got the ZL550 floor mat there. The driver's seat has power, 6-way power plus a power recliner, embroidered SS stitching in there. There's your factory moonroof, which sits above the roof there so that you don't lose space inside the car. So let's climb in, we'll fire this one up. Again, it's 550 horsepower, supercharged. Just got a great rumble to it. What a great feel. 323 kilometers. Nice rumble. There's your AM/FM stereo with CD player, your gauge package, your heated seats, automatic transmission. You've got paddle shifters up there. Over here is the menu for this screen up here for all of your trip information right there. And then over here are your automatic headlamps. Have a look in that door frame, just like brand new. What a beautiful car. OnStar sound system up there, OnStar setup. Tilt and telescopic comes with it as well. What a beauty. Good solid clunk to the door. That's awesome. Look at the size of those tires against that car. That is some meaty tire on that car. That is just an incredible look. So not an everyday car that you're going to just see driving around the roads, that's for sure. Very limited production on this SLP. SLP has been doing Camaros since way back when, doing their modification. Street Legal Performance is what that stands for. So there it is from the back. Listen to that chug. That is awesome. Just a nice little rumble there with the Blackwing exhaust front to back. And down the side, look at those skirts. Just an amazing machine. So there you have it, folks. That is a 2010 Chevrolet Camaro. That's a 2SS, but with a ZL550 SLP package with more tinted glass, etc., power moonroof. What an amazing car with 1,000 kilometers on it. Come on in and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.